Competition is the essence of life. It's what drives us. A legend who lived and breathed the game of basketball. Pursuit of being the best. Her dedication and passion for the game are unparalleled. Kobe and Sue, two icons of their sports. They transcended basketball, becoming symbols of perseverance and excellence. Their competitive fire? Legendary. It burned bright throughout their careers, lighting up the court and inspiring millions. Their relentless pursuit of excellence, inspiring. They trained to heights. They left an unforgettable mark on the game. An achievement, but in the hearts of fans and aspiring athletes. Kobe Bryant, a name synonymous with excellence and determination. 5 NBA championships with the Los Angeles Lakers, 18-time All-Star. His accolades speak volumes about his dedication and skill on the court. His work ethic, unmatched. He pushed himself and his teammates to be better, every single day. Whether it was in practice or during a game, Kobe's relentless drive was evident. Sue Bird, a legend in her own right. 4 WNBA championships with the Seattle Storm, 13-time All-Star. Her career is a testament to her talent and perseverance. Her leadership, unwavering. She elevated the game to new heights. On and off the court, as young athletes. Their trophy cabinets, full. Their impact on basketball, immeasurable. Both have left generations to come. They are true giants of the game. Icons whose legacies will continue to inspire and influence. Remember Kobe's legendary 81-point game? Pure. Sue's clutch shots in the WNBA Finals? Ice in her veins? She craved those pressure moments. Their will to win? Contagious. It inspired millions around the world. They showed us what's possible. Section 4. A legacy forged in competition. Kobe's Mamba mentality wasn't just about basketball. It was about life. It was about pushing boundaries, breaking limits, and striving for excellence in everything you do. It was about outworking everyone, every single day, no matter the odds or the obstacles in your way. It was about embracing challenges, facing them head-on, and never backing down, no matter how tough the situation. Sue's leadership extended beyond the court. She was a beacon of strength and determination, guiding her team with unwavering resolve. She became a voice for equality, using her platform to speak out against injustice and to fight for what is right. She fought for what she believed in, tirelessly working to make a difference in her community and beyond. Their impact? Beyond measure. They taught us about dedication, passion, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. Their legacies inspire us to push harder, aim higher, and never settle for anything less than our best. The unquenchable thirst for more. Kobe and Sue's competitive fire. It still burns bright. It inspires athletes today. It reminds us to push harder, to never give up, to chase our dreams. What's your favorite Kobe or Sue moment? Share your stories. Let's celebrate their legacies. Follow for more inspiring stories about athletes who dared to dream big.